residents have reported numerous sightings of an unidentified creature.
What are you? You are so smelly. I play Trip in the movie. I find a monster.
Take a look.
This thing is awesome and it's smart. It is an engine for my truck. Isn't that right, Creech?
We named him Creech. Trip is in the middle of a problem. He needs to hide this creature. People are after him, and I'm sort of in the way. And then we start on the adventure.
Trip, watch out! Let go! I can see better than you. Hey, get back in there!
He touched his eye!
Over the course of this relationship, Trip realizes that, it's kind of like his buddy now, and then they develop this friendship.
Hang on!
Did that just happen?
Oh yeah, it did. Kids will love this movie because explosions, monsters, and really fast trucks. Go!
Hey, Lisa here. I just love animated movies. What about you? 2016 has seen some great titles released, but 2017 is also looking awesome for animated movie lovers. Films with a family theme are a fantastic way to appeal to almost every audience. And with technology advancing by the minute, all of the big 6 film studios are succumbing to the animation temptation. Here is a list of the best animated movies coming your way in 2017. The Lego Batman movie releasing on February 10. The Boss Baby releasing on March 10. Smurfs The Lost Village releasing on March 31. Cars 3 releasing on June 16. Despicable Me 3 releasing on June 30. The Story of Ferdinand releasing on July 21. The Emoji Movie releasing on August 4. The Lego Ninjago movies on September 22. Coco, releasing on November 22, The Croods 2 on December 22. So it looks like a busy year at the cinema for animated movie lovers. Do you have a favourite one so far? Let me know in the comments below and click in the link in the description to watch the trailers for these titles. And remember to stay tuned to Filmies Now for all the best in animation movies.